In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books in QuickBooks Online. Closing the books locks in your financials for a period so your reports stay accurate and final. It prevents accidental changes to past months and gives you confidence that what you share with your accountant, lender, or stakeholders won't shift later. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure your transactions are up to date, reconciliations are complete, and any adjusting entries from your accountant have been posted. Ready? Let's walk through it together. First, go to QuickBooks Online and open your company. At the top right of your screen, look for the settings icon, the small gear. This is where QuickBooks keeps all the company-level preferences that control how your books behave. Click the settings icon, then choose Accountant Settings. This opens a panel with several tabs along the left. You'll be working in the advanced area because closing the books is a company-wide accounting preference. Select the Advanced tab. In this tab, scroll to the Accounting section. Here, you'll find the Close the Books option. Click into that section to expand it. Now turn on Close the Books. When you do, QuickBooks will ask for a closing date. Pick the last day of the period you're finalizing, commonly the end of a month, quarter, or fiscal year. Setting the correct date is important because it's the cutoff line that protects all prior activity. You'll also see a choice for how strictly QuickBooks protects closed periods. You can allow changes with a warning or require a password for any changes on or before the closing date. Requiring a password is the more secure option and a common best practice because it creates an intentional checkpoint before anyone can alter historical data. If you use a password, store it securely and share it only with authorized team members. Once your closing date and preference are set, click Save to apply the change. Then, click Done to exit account in Settings. That's it. The books are now closed for that period. From here on, if someone tries to edit a transaction dated on or before your closing date, QuickBooks will either show a warning or ask for the password, depending on what you selected. If you ever need to adjust something, you can return to the same advanced accounting section to update the closing date or temporarily change the protection setting. Just remember to document any changes and resave when you're finished. As a final tip, run and archive your key reports like profit and loss and balance sheet so you have snapshots that match your